I absolutely love this wee school, and the last day that we were down, the memories came flooding back, and as soon as you come in through that front door and look down, it's just as if you were transported back in time. I think it's exciting. I think it's something new, and I think people will want to come, and just for to hear voices, for to hear giggles again. So I just can't wait until I see the transformation. It's going to be great.
I think this building, as a listed building, has provided so many good memories for people. To bring the building back into use, and especially for childcare, it's just a great connection to its past, and it will bring such a good sense of community back to the area. It will be great to help to rebuild connections to the schools and build a community. It has suffered badly through neglect, and it's great to see the investment being put into the school and new life being brought back.
It formed not just a huge part of the community, but it's a huge part of the history of the whole area. And I think to lose it would be to leave us all in a limbo. We wouldn't know where we came from. I can't underestimate how important it was as a hub of a community. And I think it could be the hub of a community again. Coming back now, it feels very strange because I can nearly hear the children's voices. You know, all these wee things that come back. It will be lovely.